Have you ever considered the weight of the relationships you carry in your life? Our companions, both in business and in our social circles, have the power to shape our experiences. They can either inspire us to reach for the stars or pull us down into the abyss. The story of Prophet Jonah beautifully illustrates this point. Jonah, chosen by God, decides to turn his back on divine orders. He boards a ship for Tarshish, hoping to escape his divine duty. But God, in all his wisdom, is not one to be evaded. He stirs the sea into a tempest, and the ship is on the brink of destruction. The passengers, traders dreaming of riches, find themselves hurling their precious cargo overboard. Yet the storm rages on, unyielding to their loss and fear. It is only when Jonah, the cause of their predicament, is cast into the sea that the storm finally calms. The people on the ship suffered because of Jonah's disobedience. Their fates were intertwined with his, for better or for worse. So, what can we learn from Prophet Jonah's story about our relationships? Well, let's delve into this age-old tale and unearth the wisdom it holds for us. You see, Jonah's story is a poignant reminder of the profound impact our relationships can have on our lives. When Jonah decided to defy divine orders, he didn't only put his own life at risk, but also those of the innocent passengers aboard the ship. Their fates became intertwined with his, their lives pitching and rolling with the turbulent waves of his disobedience. This shows us that our actions, our choices, and our unresolved issues can have far-reaching effects on those we share our journey with. The traders on the ship, who had been dreaming of profits in Tarshish, found themselves in a dire situation, not of their own making. They had to throw their precious cargo overboard, their dreams sinking deep into the sea, all because of their association with Jonah. This part of the story warns us about the potential losses and missed opportunities that can arise when we connect with those carrying unresolved issues. But as we know, the story doesn't end in despair. When Jonah takes responsibility for his actions and is thrown into the sea, the storm calms. This resolution brings us to the realization that even when we find ourselves in the midst of chaos, taking responsibility can lead to calm and restoration. So, what's the takeaway here? It's simple, yet profound. We must seek meaningful relationships, ones that align with our life's purpose and add positivity to our existence. We need to be cautious about who we let into our ship, understanding that their issues could become our own and their actions could steer our destiny. And as we stand on the cusp of a new year filled with hope and anticipation, let's not forget to pray for our relationships, to pray for discernment in choosing who we allow on our ship, to pray for wisdom in navigating the stormy seas of life, and most importantly, to pray that our relationships always be a source of blessings, not burdens. As we look forward to the new year, remember to pray for your relationships. May they always be a source of blessings, not burdens.